Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, viewers. In this series of section, we will be discussing about the Jupiter transit for the year 2020-21. This incident is going to take place in the month of November on 20th as per this Tirukanida Panchanga. This will last for almost 1 year till 2021. So for every zodiac sign, I will be giving a brief about the impact of Jupiter transit. So you listen to them all videos. If you like these videos, give a like and also share with your friends. If you are not subscribed this channel yet, and keep it subscribed so that you will get my updates instantly. Now we will see the chart on the day the Jupiter transit is taking place. Now you could see the chart on the day where the Jupiter transit takes place. You can see the Jupiter moves from Sagittarius to Capricorn. So far for the last 1 year it was ruling in his own house, Sagittarius. Now it goes to Capricorn where Jupiter gets debilitated. But here in this particular year it is not debilitated. In fact it is actually like a ruler there. The reason being, in Capricorn Saturn seems to be there and Saturn seems to be a ruler there, and when a particular zodiac sign, if the ruler of that particular zodiac sign is available, then there won't be any planet get debilitated. So here we can consider Jupiter itself as a ruler over at Capricorn. So the power is not debilitated, it is still having a ruler power. So during this transit period you can see along with Jupiter you could see Moon is there on that particular day, and Saturn is the ruler over Capricorn. And in Pisces you can see Mars is there, and you could see after the transit of Rahu Ketu, the Rahu is sitting at the Taurus, and on the 7th house of Taurus you could see Ketu sits along with Sun there. Scorpio, both Ketu as well as Sun will be sitting there, and if you could see in Libra, Venus is a ruler there. Venus sits along with the Mercury. So this is the planetary portion during the Jupiter transit on the November 20th. Now we will see for each and every zodiac sign the impact, the positive and the negative impacts of each and every zodiac sign in length. So we can also say what percentage the people belong to that particular zodiac sign will get out of this transit. So you watch them carefully and till the end, so that you will come to know the reasons why I put these particular zodiac sign having this positive or negative effects. So don't skip in between, then you won't be able to understand fully. So let us move ahead watching each and every video. Capricorn, the 10th zodiac sign. For Capricorn, the existing position of Jupiter is not so favorable, as well as the upcoming Jupiter transit is not favorable, because Jupiter comes to the zodiac sign itself and becomes a yoga there. Already in the zodiac sign, that is in Capricorn, Saturn is a ruler already. So both the planets are there at the ascendant or the zodiac sign, seems to be more powerful, and there are chances they get illness, they find frequent problems in the diseases they may face. There are chances they may enter into many pains and problems in this particular 1 year. Initial periods you could see the 4th house lord and the 11th house lord Mars is there at the third, retrograded at the 3rd house. So there are chances their hard work may get into failures many times. So even for a small thing they need to fight a lot. You cannot expect in a single shot, like if to go and visit a particular place, it is not so easy or possible for them in the first attempt. So they need to make several attempts, multiple attempts to achieve even very small things. For those in the Capricorn, the children might study well, because once the Jupiter starts aspecting the 5th house, there are chances the children may get into good colleges and schools. They will find their studies good and they can score marks in a better way. Also for those who are doing the graduates and postgraduates, there are chances after January 2021 to get into their studies well and score very good marks, and they can succeed in their life. Those who are looking for marriage and those who are looking for alliances, there are chances from 2021 January onwards to find a good partners for them, but it is not so easy. They have to make so many efforts, because one particular thing is like the Saturn aspects the 7th house, but at the same time Jupiter is also parallelly aspecting the 7th house, so the things may become possible for them. So they should make 100% efforts to ensure these things are happening. Those who are doing business, the same problem. They'll have mixed economy. They'll find good days as well as bad days. Some days they will find profit, some days they will find losses. Those who are working in a company, initially first 3 months that is very good, but or the 2021 from January till December, they need to fight hard. It is not so easy or get going like that, because in the workplace they need to be very careful. They should show their respect and the behavior very important, because once they go late or they don't perform in time, there are chances they may lose the job. And for those who are seeking for a better job opportunity, they should work hard, they should prepare well, they should study well to get into a good opportunity. So it is not so easy for those in the Capricorn, because already the Saturn period is running, the 7.5 Saturn period is running, and it is very tough for them to find. Even the Jupiter is sitting at that zodiac sign itself. So in all, it is not so benefitable for zodiac sign Capricorn. We can expect a maximum of 70 to 75% positive results. But one thing we should remember, this is just an indication of the probability of getting good results as well as bad results. It will work up to 15 to 20% maximum. The individual horoscope where the Mahadasa and Andardasa is running, based on that planetary position in the chart, the probability of getting good results depends on that. Supposing if a person is having a good chart, good planets running, having Mahadasa and Andardasa running, this transit position will also give them a good results. At the same time, if the person is not having a proper Mahadasa or Andardasa running in their own chart, they won't get the result as clearly as I said in the transit positions. So this is one thing which you should keep in mind.